Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm not often lost for words, but I am. So this is the big thing I've been planning for you guys. I've been doing a lot of work behind the scene, a lot of working out how the hell I can actually make this work. And yeah, I think we can do this. I've promised you for a long time that I want this channel to work. With your support, I've wanted it to be the platform for you guys to come and watch the builds, learn from the builds, because that is what I do with this channel. I want people to get into restoration, do what I do. I didn't have any help. I just went on with it. But yeah, I want this to be the next level, and that is where we're going. So at the moment, it's quite echoey in here, so I do apologize for the audio, but we will soon fill it. Don't worry about that. This is my first day of having the keys to the new Simpsons Classics HQ. So I am absolutely blown away. I have worked very, very hard to make this happen for you guys. Don't get me wrong, there's days that are gonna go by where this is gonna get overwhelming. There's a lot of projects gonna be in here. There's gonna be a lot of work going, but I do think this is where we need to go, guys. I really hope you're on board. Please, please go and check out the rest of the videos to see where Simpsons Classics started, because I do obviously do driveway builds. This isn't going to change differences I can have all my builds in one place. So I can't even put it into words, guys. All I am going to say on this front, so I don't go on about being really emotional about this, because it is quite emotional, is I can't do this without you guys. I genuinely cannot do this without you guys. Your comments, your support is why I do this. It's what has driven me to take Simpsons Classics to the next level. And this is definitely next level. So what we have here, I will walk you around, is a beautiful space. I think it's gonna look absolutely iconic and gorgeous with some classic cars in here. And yeah, let's take a quick walk around. I'm yet to move any bits in. Kind of mapping it out with Mrs. Simpson, how we're going to plan it out, but yeah, without further ado, let's get stuck into this. Right, so looking at from the door, we've got all this space. It's kind of like a big square with like a bit off the end where I can bring cars in at the back. First of all, it's a gorgeous barn. It's hundreds of years old. It's absolutely stunning. A lovely flat floor to work with, and I'm picturing how it's going to be. So hear me out. This is going to rough plan. Obviously vehicles coming in and out. When it's not being used, something can be put in there. And we're kind of thinking nice, clean, dry, tidy space, maybe to get a bit of paintwork done. That's kind of the plan we're thinking for that. Over here, working bay. Using the beams as a guider. Working bay. Working bay. Car storage, part storage. Brew area, car storage. It is just blowing my mind. I don't know how I'm going to lay this out yet. I've got a good idea, like I say, just drawing it out with you guys. But yeah, so yeah, I wanted to bring this video to you guys as soon as I possibly can, and this is the day I get the keys, so I can't bring it to it any sooner. I'm like a kid in a sweet shop with this. Like I say, it's been a long time coming for me. Also, while I'm on the front of like going through everything, please go check out both of our sponsors. So we have Frost Restoration. Frost Restoration are obviously a restoration company. They sell consumables, paints, loads of tools. Obviously, we're going to work with Frost with this because I have some space to put some tools in here now, and that will allow more builds for you guys. It will allow me to do more content for you. It will also allow me to take on other cars other than just minis. You know, it will give me loads of confidence because I've got the tooling and the space to do it. So Frost Restoration, they're in the link description below. We are working with them to get you some discount codes and stuff like that. So please stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed because otherwise you'll miss out on that. Minimine, classic mini company. I couldn't wish for a better company to be behind me. They are the company to me. I wouldn't go anywhere else for mini bits. Never have done. At the end of the day, I always, from day one being into minis, if I needed a bit, I went on eBay and bought it from Minimine, or went to a show, bought it from Minimine. They've come on board very recently with me, and I can't thank them enough. Their support is massive, and they knew this was one of my goals right from day one, and without their support, I don't think I'd have had the confidence to do it. So I just wanted to take a quick moment to thank both of you guys, Frost and Minimine. This is fabulous because it's the drive, the determination that you guys give me backing this channel that make me want to do this. So thank you very much. First one in. Right guys, so there it is, the new Simpsons Classics HQ. So couldn't resist bringing Violet in, mainly because she is the car that's brought me on this journey. She is why Simpsons Classics is a thing. Like right back at the beginning, the reason why this car is why it is because I got it down in several garages. She does need redoing because she's not like how I want it, but she's been on the whole journey from the beginning. Simpsons Classics started as an Instagram page, turned into a YouTube channel. This car has been on all the journeys for me. It's also the car that means the world to me. So it had to be the car that opened the doors for Simpsons Classics here. Right, what does this mean for Simpsons Classics? This means more builds, more content, different projects, more kind of continuations of builds because we can carry on with them a bit better and not have to keep starting. So please make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Let your friends know that we are in here and we're going to make loads of content, loads of minis, loads of other cars. The Amazon can finally come home. And yeah, this does open so many doors for us. So I hope you're as excited as I am, or we are, or everyone involved with Simpsons Classics is, because I am just ecstatic. It's making me almost jither because it's just there's a lot to take in. But it's going to be a game changer, guys. So please make sure you subscribe. Thumbs up. What do you think of the new place? Please get in the comments below, have a chat with you. Or what do you want to see in here? What cars would you like to see in here? What builds would you like to see? How would I lay it out? Just please comment away because I do this for you guys, so it's really important that I make you guys happy for doing it. So yeah, well, what can I say? Catch me in the next one. So there is going to be a few videos, obviously continuation of the 89. We'll be back where all the videos have been done before at home, but we're going to get cracking in here. So I will do my best to bring you as much content as possible. Please stay tuned, guys, because this is massive. Catch you next one. Remember to go and check all our sponsors down in the description below, and onwards and upwards. Big build time. Oh. Mad. Mad. Mad.